Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello, and welcome to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is special.
We're going to talk about your daily routine in the big city.
Your everyday life.
What you do every day.
This is really useful English.
Because people ask about your routine all the time.
And you need this English every single day.
Whether you live in New York, London, Tokyo, or any big city.
The English is the same.
So let's start with the basics.
How do you talk about your daily routine?
First, let's learn how to talk about your morning.
Listen, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I get up at 6:30.
Wake up and get up are almost the same.
Wake up means you open your eyes.
Get up means you leave your bed.
Try it. Say, I wake up at, and your time.
Pause.
Good job.
Now say, I get up at, and your time.
Pause.
Perfect.
What do you do after you wake up?
You can say, I take a shower.
Or, I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Try it. I take a shower.
Pause.
Try this one. I get dressed.
Pause.
Good.
You can also say, I brush my teeth.
Or, I wash my face.
Or, I make coffee.
Try it. I make coffee.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
You can say, I eat breakfast.
Or, I have breakfast.
Both are correct.
Try it. I eat breakfast.
Pause.
You can add what you eat.
Like, I eat cereal for breakfast.
Or, I have toast and coffee.
Try it with your breakfast.
Pause.
Great job.
Now here's something important in the big city.
How you get to work.
You can say, I take the subway.
Or, I take the bus.
Or, I take the train.
Try it. I take the subway.
Pause.
You can also say, I drive to work.
Or, I walk to work.
Or, I ride my bike.
Try it with how you get to work.
Pause.
Perfect.
You can add the time.
Like, I take the subway at 8 a.m.
Or, I leave for work at 7:30.
Try it. I leave for work at, and your time.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about your commute.
Your commute is your travel to work.
In big cities, commutes can be long.
You can say, my commute is 30 minutes.
Or, my commute is 1 hour.
Try it with your commute time.
Pause.
Good.
You can also say, the subway is crowded.
Crowded means many people.
Try it. The subway is crowded.
Pause.
Or you can say, traffic is bad.
This is for people who drive.
Try it. Traffic is bad.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now, let's hear a conversation about a morning routine.
Let's listen carefully.
So, what's your morning routine like?
Well, I wake up at 6 a.m., I take a shower, get dressed, and make coffee.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Usually, yes. I have toast or cereal. Then I leave for work at 7:30.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway. It's about 45 minutes.
Oh, wow, that's a long commute.
Yeah, but I listen to podcasts, so it's okay.
Did you hear that? Very natural.
I described my whole morning routine.
Step by step.
Let's hear another conversation.
What time do you usually get up?
I get up around 7 a.m.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually eggs and coffee, sometimes just coffee if I'm late.
How do you get to work?
I walk. It's only 15 minutes.
Oh, nice. That's convenient.
See? Simple questions and answers.
Now let's practice.
I'll ask you about your morning routine.
What time do you wake up?
Answer with your time.
Pause.
Good.
What do you do after you wake up?
Answer with what you do, like I take a shower or I make coffee.
Pause.
Excellent. Do you eat breakfast?
Answer yes or no. If yes, say what you eat.
Pause. Great. How do you get to work?
Answer with your transportation.
Pause.
Perfect.
How long is your commute?
Answer with your time.
Pause.
Wonderful.
You just described your morning routine in English.
That's amazing.
Now let's talk about your day at work.
You can say, I start work at 9 a.m.
Or, I get to the office at 8:30.
Try it. I start work at and your time.
Pause.
Good.
During the day, what do you do?
You can say, I check my emails.
Or, I have meetings.
Or, I work on projects.
Try it. I check my emails.
Pause.
You can say, I answer phone calls.
Or, I talk to customers.
Or, I work on the computer.
Try it with what you do at work.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about lunch.
You can say, I eat lunch at noon.
Or, I take my lunch break at 12:30.
Try it. I eat lunch at and your time.
Pause.
You can add where you eat lunch.
Like, I eat at my desk.
Or, I go to a restaurant.
Or, I bring lunch from home.
Try it. Where do you eat lunch?
Pause.
Great job.
In big cities, lunch can be expensive.
So many people bring lunch from home.
You can say, I pack my lunch.
This means you bring food from home.
Try it. I pack my lunch.
Pause.
Good.
Now let's talk about when you finish work.
You can say, I finish work at 5 p.m.
Or, I leave the office at 6 p.m.
Or, I get off work at 5:30.
Try it. I finish work at and your time.
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's review what we learned so far.
We learned to talk about your morning routine.
I wake up, I get up, I take a shower, I get dressed.
We learned to talk about breakfast.
I eat breakfast, I have coffee.
We learned to talk about getting to work.
I take the subway, I take the bus, I walk, I drive.
We learned about your commute.
My commute is 30 minutes.
We learned about your workday.
I start work at 9 a.m., I check emails, I have meetings.
We learned about lunch.
I eat lunch at noon. I pack my lunch.
And we learned about finishing work.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
In part 2, we'll talk about your evening routine
What you do after work.
and how to talk about your whole day.
This is really useful for conversations.
See you in part 2.
You're doing great.
Really great. Welcome back to part 2.
Thank you for continuing with us.
In part 1, we learned about your morning routine and workday.
Now let's talk about your evening routine.
What you do after work.
This is important because people ask about this all the time.
So after work, what do you do?
You can say, I go home.
Or I head home.
Head home means go home.
Try it. I go home.
Pause.
You can add the time.
Like, I go home around 6 p.m.
Try it with your time.
Pause.
Good.
Sometimes in big cities, people do things after work.
You can say, I go to the gym.
Or, I meet friends for dinner.
Or I run errands.
Run errands means do small tasks like shopping or going to the bank.
Try it. I run errands.
Pause.
You can also say, I stop at the grocery store.
Or, I pick up dinner.
Pick up dinner means buy prepared food.
Try it. I pick up dinner.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about getting home.
You can say, I get home at 7 p.m.
Or I arrive home around 6:30.
Try it. I get home at and your time.
Pause. Good. What do you do when you get home?
You can say, I make dinner.
Or I cook.
Or I order food.
Try it. I make dinner.
Pause.
You can say I eat dinner.
Or I have dinner with my family.
Try it with what you do.
Pause.
Excellent.
After dinner, what do you do?
You can say I watch TV.
Or I relax on the couch.
Or I read.
Try it. I watch TV.
Pause.
You can also say, I do laundry.
Or I clean the apartment.
Or I do the dishes.
Try it. I do the dishes.
Pause.
Good.
Some people do work at home.
You can say I check my work emails.
Or I finish some work.
Try it. I check my work emails.
Pause.
Perfect. Now let's talk about bedtime.
You can say, I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Or I go to sleep around 10:30.
Try it. I go to bed at and your time.
Pause. Good. Before bed, what do you do?
You can say, I brush my teeth,
Or I take a shower.
or I read for a little bit.
Try it with what you do.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's hear a conversation about an evening routine. Listen,
What do you usually do after work?
I usually go straight home. Sometimes I stop at the grocery store.
What time do you get home?
Around 7 p.m. Then I make dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Most nights, yes. Sometimes I order food if I'm too tired.
What do you do after dinner?
I usually watch TV or read. Sometimes I call my family.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. I need to get enough sleep.
Did you hear that? Complete evening routine.
Very natural conversation.
Let's hear another one.
So, what's your typical evening like?
Well, I leave work at 5:30. I take the subway home.
How long does that take?
About 40 minutes. I get home around 6:30.
Then what?
I usually go to the gym for an hour. Then I make dinner.
You have energy to work out after work?
Yeah, it helps me relax actually.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 10:30. I try to sleep early.
See? Everyone's routine is different.
And that's okay.
Now let's practice talking about your whole day.
From morning to night.
I'll ask you questions about your whole day.
Ready?
What time do you wake up?
Answer.
Pause.
What do you do first in the morning?
Answer.
Pause. Do you eat breakfast?
Answer.
Pause. How do you get to work?
Answer.
Pause. What time do you start work?
Answer.
Pause. When do you eat lunch?
Answer.
Pause. What time do you finish work?
Answer.
Pause. What do you do after work?
Answer.
Pause. What time do you get home?
Answer.
Pause. What do you do in the evening?
Answer.
Pause. What time do you go to bed?
Answer.
Perfect. You just described your whole day in English.
That's incredible.
Now let's learn how to describe your day in a shorter way.
Sometimes people ask, what's your typical day like?
You don't need to say every detail.
You can give a summary.
Listen to this.
What's your typical day like?
Well, I wake up around 7, take the subway to work from 9 to 5, then go home and relax.
Did you hear that? Very short.
Just the main parts.
Try it now. Describe your typical day in one sentence.
Pause.
Good job.
Now let's talk about different days.
Not every day is the same.
You can say, on weekdays, I wake up at 7.
Weekdays means Monday through Friday.
Try it. On weekdays, I wake up at and your time.
Pause.
Perfect.
You can also say, usually I take the subway, but sometimes I walk.
This shows your routine can change.
Try making a sentence with usually and sometimes.
Pause. Excellent. Now let's talk about challenges in the big city.
Living in a big city can be hard.
You can say, the subway is always crowded.
Or traffic is terrible in the morning.
Or my commute is really long.
Try it. Talk about a challenge in your city.
Pause.
You can also talk about good things.
Like, there are lots of restaurants near my office.
Or I can walk to work.
Or there's always something to do.
Try it. Say something good about your city.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's practice one complete conversation about daily routine.
I'll ask you questions, you answer.
Then we'll have a natural conversation.
Ready?
So tell me about your daily routine.
Give a short summary of your day.
Pause. That sounds busy. What's the hardest part of your day?
Answer honestly.
Pause. I know what you mean. Do you have time to relax?
Answer with when you relax.
Pause. That's good. It's important to have downtime.
Downtime means time to rest.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Answer with your weekend's routine.
Pause. That sounds nice.
Perfect. That was a complete conversation.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
We learned morning routine. I wake up, I get dressed, I eat breakfast, I take the subway.
We learned workday. I start work, I check emails, I have meetings, I eat lunch, I finish work.
We learned evening routine. I go home, I make dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed.
We learned to describe your whole day in one sentence.
We learned to talk about weekdays and weekends.
We learned to talk about challenges and good things in the city.
All of this is real-life English.
You can use this every day.
Now, let me tell you something important.
Your routine doesn't have to be interesting.
Most people have boring routines.
Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep.
That's normal.
Don't feel like you need to make your life sound exciting.
Just be honest.
People appreciate honesty.
And another thing,
In big cities, everyone is busy.
everyone has long commutes.
Everyone feels tired.
You're not alone.
When you talk about your routine, other people will relate,
They'll say, me too.
and that creates connection.
Now, here's your challenge.
Tonight, before bed, describe your day out loud in English.
Just 3 sentences.
What you did in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
Practice this every night for 1 week.
Your brain will start thinking in English naturally.
Also, this week, ask one person about their daily routine.
Say, what's your typical day like?
Listen to their answer.
Then share your routine.
This is real conversation practice.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're so proud of you.
Living in a big city and learning English is not easy.
But you're doing it.
Keep going.
See you next time.
Keep practicing. You're amazing.
Really amazing.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.